Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
To begin, we'll focus on preparation. Choose fresh ground turkey. A 93% lean variety balances moisture and flavor perfectly. For your seasoning blend, combine 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. You can also add a pinch of smoked paprika for extra depth. Gently mix these spices into the turkey, but be careful not to overwork the meat. Overmixing can lead to tough burgers, so aim for just combined. This initial step sets the foundation for a flavorful burger. Now, let's form those perfect patties. Divide your seasoned turkey into 4 equal portions. Gently shape each into a patty about 3/4 of an inch thick, slightly wider than your bun, as they will shrink during cooking. Create a small dimple in the center of each patty. This helps prevent the burger from bulging in the middle. To boost juiciness, you might incorporate 1 tablespoon of finely shredded zucchini or a mix of breadcrumbs and milk directly into the meat before forming. This traps moisture beautifully. Cooking your turkey burgers to perfection is key. If grilling, preheat your grill to a steady medium-high heat. Place the patties on the grates and cook for 5 to 7 minutes per side until nicely browned. For pan frying, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat, then cook the burgers for 4 to 6 minutes per side. Always check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer. It should reach 165 degrees F or 74 degrees C to ensure they are safely cooked and juicy. Now for the fun part, toppings. Fresh, crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and thinly sliced red onion are classic choices that always work well. Don't be afraid to get creative. A creamy slice of avocado, a dollop of tangy cranberry sauce, or some sweet caramelized onions can elevate your burger significantly. For your bun, select something sturdy. Brioche buns offer a nice richness, while whole wheat options add a healthy touch. Toasting your bun lightly before serving adds a lovely texture. After cooking, let your turkey burgers rest for about 3 to 5 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Assemble your burger on the toasted bun with all your chosen toppings. They pair beautifully with sides like crispy sweet potato fries, a refreshing garden salad, or even some roasted vegetables. Enjoy experimenting with different flavor combinations to find your ultimate turkey burger creation. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.